exit poll results are out, and it is said that it's rather predicted that the BJP will be coming back to power. Rather, the NDA will form government again for the third consecutive time. In fact, in the state of Bengal, it's predicted that the BJP will be making big gains. Take a look at the details that we are getting after the exit polls are out.
टीएमसी की लगातार कोशिश है कि केंद्र सरकार की योजना पर अपना स्टिकर लगाएं। ये टीएमसी सरकार हर स्कीम को स्कैम में बदल देती है। ये लोग गरीबों का राशन लूटने से भी पीछे नहीं रह रहे। भाजपा सरकार पूरे देश में निवेश और नौकरी के अनगिनत नए अवसर बनाने वाली है।
7 phases, 42 seats, and BJP's roar of confidence. BJP's remarkable success in West Bengal during the 2019 elections, where it secured victory in 18 out of the state's 42 constituencies, was not merely a fluke occurrence. The high decibel campaign in Bengal has seen TMC, BJP and the Left Congress alliance at loggerheads. From the looks of the exit polls, it looks like the Saffron Party is set to do even better this time.
इस बार 400 की ओर जा रहा है। 400 की ओर जा रहा है। वो 2-5 सीट इधर उधर हो सकता है, लेकिन 400 के आसपास ही हमारी सीट रहेगा। और बंगाल में पिछले टाइम जो सीट आया था 2018 में, उसमें उससे ज्यादा सीट मिलेगा और टीएमसी से हमारा आंकड़ा आगे रहेगा।
In the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, the BJP won 18 seats, TMC won 22 seats and the INC won 2. This time, Republic TV Matriz suggests that the BJP could have an advantage over the TMC, predicting 21 to 25 seats for the BJP and 16 to 21 seats for the Mamata-led party. Meanwhile, a poll by Our Bangla has predicted a reversal of 2019, giving the BJP 22 seats and the Trinamool Congress 18.
A Republic Bangla vehicle was attacked in Dinhata. The glass of the vehicle was shattered. This was after our crews reported on the allegedly fake polling agents. Our Republic Bangla reporters received threats. There were threats issued to delete the footage. In another part of Bengal, a BJP MLA was repeatedly halted by the police while attempting to enter a poll booth. There was an altercation between BJP workers and TMC workers. The BJP camp office was allegedly put on fire in one part of Jalpaiguri. One booth president was reportedly attacked when he tried to go to his booth last night. A BJP supporter was pelted with stones, we are told, in Shitolkuchi.
Despite violence marring the first phase in West Bengal that started with 3 constituencies, Cooch Behar, Alipurduar and Jalpaiguri. As the campaigns rung out with promises of good governance, will the election results paint the same picture as that of the exit polls? Will the BJP be successful in shattering TMC's fort? Watch with Arnab on June 4th.